The Congress is constantly besieging BJP Rajya Sabha MP Jyotiraditya Scindia regarding the by-elections in Madhya Pradesh. The Congress has once again opened a front against Scindia over the war of the land. The Congress has shown serious evidence along with serious allegations this time, due to which Scindia's difficulty increases. The BJP may have to suffer in the elections. When Scindia left the party and joined BJP, the Congress has opened a front against him. The party is constantly bombarding him with allegations. Sometimes questions are raised about trust on them, then on land. Yes, this time also Congress has accused Scindia of selling land. The party says that Scindia colluded with the authorities and sold them on the basis of fake documents. Congress State Vice President Murari Lal Dubey and KK Mishra held a press conference and shown some documents in front of Scindia and made serious allegations. Congress leader KK Mishra has said that Scindia family, who have become synonymous with the betrayal in the freedom of struggle and politics, hated the world loyalty. It can be gauged from the fact that this family, built after the departure of their faithful dog, also ate his tomb. Congress leaders said that Scindia is throwing dust in the eyes of the officer and is attacking everyone. This is not the first time that Scindia has been accused of fraud in the land. Before, the Congress accused Jyotiraditya Scindia of seizing Mahorkar's fence and sealing it. It is clear from aggressive attitude of Congress that it will not sit silent against Scindia. Well, this is the election season, the phase of accusation will go on, but Congress hula bull may increase the difficulty of BJP, including Scindia.